أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي اللهم افتح علينا حكمتك وانشر علينا رحمتك يا ذا الجلال والإكرام اللهم إني أسألك علما نافعا وعملا متقبلا ورزقا طيبا اللهم عافني في بدني اللهم عافني في سمعي اللهم عافني في بصري لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني علما اللهم إني أسألك علما نافعا وعملا متقبلا ورزقا طيبا. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm going to show you today how to mute all your notifications when you are taking class or you don't want to get disturbed during your meeting or taking class. So let's take a start. When you click on meeting, you will find all these classes. So at the top, you need to click on this logo here where it will tell you all your details at top right corner. Click here. Okay, then you click on the settings. After clicking on setting, you will get all these application themes are over here, layout, grid, all these things, and here are application setting. Here you can use all these languages are over here. Display, turn off animation requires restart. So we quickly click here. We are talking about notification, so we will click here, notification, and then here we will see that missed activity email. You can select uh, once every hour they will notify you. Okay, appearance and sound, show message preview. Okay, off kar do message preview ko, then play sound for incoming call and notification. That's fine. Incoming calls and notification turn on. Okay, then here terms and channels, all activities you will get desktop and activity notification for. Let me select the custom, and here personal at the rate mention. When they will mention you banners and feed, you need to click on only show the feeds. And then team mentions maybe you can select only show in feed. If they are mentioning you in a team, specific team, they will mention your name. Replies to conversation, I started. So you just click on show feed. Replies to conversation, I replied to, only show in feed. Okay, like and reactions you can turn off. Okay, then show and pin channel, all new post, turn off. Okay, the channel and mention, notify me each time this channel is mentioned, only feed, done. Okay, then go back. After that you can select, go for the chat, meeting and people, you can select that chat. Click on chat, you can see here at the rate mention. Okay, only showed feed. Replies, you can replies off. Okay, like and mention इसको भी off कर दें, done. Then go back. Okay, settings, again settings. Okay, then notification. Now in meeting. Okay जी, meeting started notification off. Okay, meeting chat notification mute. Okay, this is for HMs and those who don't want they will get the notification of any meeting. ठीक है, they can join whenever they like. Okay. Hope you will not get any notification after this. This is one way. The another way is I will just simply click here in this class. Right now, for example, in this class I have clicked over here. Then I click in class 7 general, at the top right corner. Click here on three dots, channel notification. Okay, the off accept replies and personal mention, you can off all the notification. Click on off. Class notification is off. Now I'm going to turn off the notification of, for example, this class 8. Just simply click here in general tab at the top right corner. Click here, more options, channel notification off, accept direct replies and personal mentions. Select this one, all are set. Okay, now let me go back in teams. Let me check my hidden teams over here. Let me mute display groups. Whenever I'm taking class, this class usually disturb me, so I wanna mute this class. I just simply click here and I will go for notification and all activities, post and replies, no, off it. It's off right now. Okay, hopefully I will not get any notification from all these classes. Let me recheck again. And meeting, yes, in meeting what I did, I meeting started notification off, then meeting chat notification, mute. Okay, I can use this meeting started notification. Fine, it's off. Okay ji, thank you very much. Hopefully it will help you to solve your problem. So thank you very much and try this and let me know. Take care. Allah Hafiz.